So let it run
Mayor Ayoy Sirisuelio, our balikbayans. I do not need to mention them one by one, you know them. We say thank you wholeheartedly for being with us tonight, and let's give a clap to our balikbayans. Our barangay council officials headed by our punong barangay Arturo C. Magalong. Talabay ko ni bagat si kayo, si Kapitan tayo, si Kato sa Donasyon, Nasaya Duaran Orchestra, Santiago Orchestra from Urdaneta City, and our very own orchestra in Barangay Palaning, Romeo Palaganas Orchestra. Itibakti si rin sa barangay captain tayo. Barangay Kagawad Ricardo S. Fernandez, Barangay Kagawad Orlando A. Aquino, Barangay Kagawad Mercedes M. Valerio, Barangay Kagawad Alejandro Valdez, Barangay Kagawad Rolando Roliot, and Barangay Kagawad Gerardo Sanchez. Our Treasurer, we have Manet Novesteras, Secretary, yours sincerely, our bookkeeper, Mr. Felix Magalong, our barangay administrator, Mr. Benito M. Diaz, sa katulungan na barangay kayo, aray BSWs, BSPOs, TANODs, Lupon Tagapamayapa, PFATs, Tansara Utility Workers tayo, Sangguniang Kabataan, headed by SK Chairman Kevin George B. Kalugay, Watanmat, si Daddy Tol, full support to, sayan SK Chairman tayo, Dr. George Kalugay, Tansaray, Barangay Kagawads, guests, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's already morning. It's already past 12 o'clock. At this time of the year, we can surely tell that the spirit of fiesta is everywhere. Kaya sa ikwanan, City Mayor tayo, nag-imbitan mira, labing sakay, itan sa mga fiesta at sayang labi. Kaya sa ikwanda, nung sabyak, kapulay programang tampol. Alright. And why do we celebrate fiesta in the different barangays? As we all know, fiesta is a beautiful tradition which is to be preserved and cherished in our cultural history. It is an embodiment of our ideals, aspirations, and character as a people. At atong kanagakikira, sa ipansilibra ng fiesta, datayan ipananang, supanaaruan, oksol, tanpan tutulungan, naon barangay. Tanamin yung maginatan yung babantay, yung mililikad sa fiesta, we say thank you. Malilikad kami, yung nanonong ng mil, yung madyak kayo, yung mililikad si kami. Kita kan kita sarili tayo. And now, this is Veronica Balikdan and Miss Aricia Magalong.
But it is one of the main cultural and religious events in the Philippines. Actually, the celebration of fiesta is one of the influences of Spain that has taken root in the Philippines. The barangay fiesta has always been a time of gathering with family and friends, meeting new ones in the spirit of camaraderie, fellowship, and tradition. This event is a very exciting and happy occasion as Filipinos love to celebrate every year. Sabi nga natin, we celebrate any feast day to honor particular saints for their great service to God and Christianity. When we honor the saints, we honor their Creator, God. Much the same as if we honor the great painting or sculpture or piece of music. We honor the person who created it.
God Almighty, and to be followed by the singing of National Anthem, Miss Janice Stewart Cruz conducting. We would like to ask everybody to please rise